Today I have some fun items to show you. I think you are going to love these things that I have and that we've used here at Simply Garden and Home. If you have a gardener in your life, I'm telling you, these things are practical and wonderful to have. And with Father's Day right around the corner, there's still time to get all of these items. So stay tuned because I want you to see what each item does and how wonderful these are. You can just add them to your cart. They get shipped right to your home, and I think you're gonna love it. So we're in the garden, and we have here the Main Garden Hod. How long have you had this?
Had it probably over 10 years.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, got it at a fairground, and you can get these online.
Easy to use.
Easy to use, very durable. I mean, I've had this for, like I say, for quite a few years. It's held together very well. I guess you don't leave it sit out in the rain all the time, but it gets weathered.
PVC coated wire,
Yep,
so it will
absolutely.
never rust.
Never rust. Nope.
And you can
Well
pick
made.
your fresh produce and lay it right
Yeah,
in
lay
there.
right in there. If you want to wash off, you can wash your stuff off. It drains out nicely for you.
I love it. So for the years that you've had it, it is rated 5-star,
Wow.
and it's the Main Garden Hod, right?
Hot, H-O-D, yeah,
And for your money, it's worth every penny.
absolutely.
And it's something that you can get at the link below. Very easy to swipe. This is by Tom Care. And what do we have here?
This thing here is indestructible. I literally just got rid of mine last time. I've had it for 30 years. And nice about this thing here is you can flip it over and you can make it for a bench like this here. So you can control, easy on the knees type of thing. Or you just flip it up like this here, put it up like here, and away you go.
So when you're weeding, you use this
Yeah.
to sit on.
Yep, or picking
Or
strawberries.
picking or planting.
Planting, absolutely.
It's wonderful. And then what do they give you? These
They give you
little
little pouches so you can put your
tools in
or
there?
your cell phone.
Your cell phone, a water bottle.
I'm forever busting my cell phone up because I'm in the garden getting things clunked into it, but this is great.
I love it.
Yep.
Wonderful. This is easily accessed on Amazon. You will find it in the link below, all the information, all the details, and it's a wonderful knee saver and perfect for gardeners, anybody.
Anybody gardener. So,
Now we have a hat, a sun hat, a must-have if you're going to be out gardening. We need to be protected from the sun. Let's see if it fits.
wow,
Wow,
I got a
great.
big head. It actually fits.
The nice thing about this hat is it comes in many sizes and a number of colors. The other wonderful thing is it's UPF 50, meaning it's the highest rating sun protection that you can get.
Even for your head, you need it.
Yes.
Especially
Isn't that
if you get bald.
and you know, all the more. But it's important for everybody to have some type of sun protection. It has ventilation, so it's going to keep you cooler. It even has these little slits. I don't know if you can see these, but you actually can put your sunglasses. I know you're not a sunglass wearer, but a lot of people are. And they can put their sunglasses in each slit and put the sunglasses on the front, and they're never going to fall off. It's also adjustable. Let's take this off. On the inside,
Okay.
it has an adjustable band. So if you want to make it a little tighter, you can. It has the
Oh, a little neck pull too.
spring for
so,
the neck
yeah.
pull. If you need to just flop it on the back of your
Oh,
neck,
yeah. Oh, like this here. Oh.
you can do that.
this.
Or you can just lay it down like you're
There you
done
go.
with it right now. You got a choker.
Yeah, there
So
you go.
that is a wonderful hat. Again, prime, comes in numerous sizes, colors. You can't go wrong. Everybody needs one. Highest protection. So the link is below. You get all your details there. Must have for Father's Day. Not just gardening, perfect for fishing as well. Next we have a pair of clippers, pruning shears. They're by Gonic. They're extremely sharp. They are amazing, and they have a safety lock.
Mm-hmm.
And they are a must-have for the gardener in your life.
I use these guys all the time. Clipping little branches once in a while, out in the fruit trees. It's just, it's a must-have.
This is an 8-inch professionally sharp pruning shears. They are a #1 bestseller on Amazon, and they literally came in 2 days. They last for years. Must have for the gardener in your life. Father's Day is coming, so don't forget to get the details in the link below. And when you have the shears that we just showed you that are so sharp and you want easy access, you don't want to be running around trying to find them, the best thing you can do is get a leather case that clips right on the belt or on the pocket, and it's right there on their hip.
Yeah.
And you have it at your availability, and you can just pull it out. It keeps them safe, and it's leather, so it lasts a lifetime.
Yeah. Plus you want a clip because these are easy to lose. You
Exactly.
know, that way you always have a place to go back and keep them, so you never lose your
So
clippers.
as a gardener, would you say that's a must-have?
Oh, I've had these things for years.
Wonderful Father's Day gift. Very reasonable. I think
Yeah.
the leather case by Felco's like $18.
Yeah.
And all you have to do is click the link below to get all the information. Now we have these leather gloves that are as soft as a baby's bottom. They're amazing.
Ooh.
They are heavy duty cowhide.
Very nice.
Wells Lamont.
Smells so good.
And the wonderful thing about these is they do smell good, but the sizes, you can actually get all the way up to extra large in these gloves.
And I'm usually pretty big hand, and I'm fitting the large.
And they fit beautifully.
Yeah,
So you have a large hand, and the large fits very well.
Yeah.
They also have the attention to detail. They're heavy duty, but they also have this area here where it's stitched, and they put an elastic so that the dirt doesn't get up
down
inside.
Yeah, good.
They also are very flexible, so that you're not restricted when you're trying to use your clippers.
Extra palm support, or what do you call that? Palm reinforcement. There you go.
Very good.
Yeah.
And they are water resistant. Yes, that's the only way to go. Very safe. They're water resistant, and they are an Amazon's choice. So if you want these gloves, you need to grab them for Father's Day. Click on that link below.
You can find more information about all these finds, including shoppable links, right below in the description. Happy shopping and happy Father's Day.